In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Shopify website 5 minutes. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can get a clean, functional storefront ready fast. First, go to Shopify in your browser and sign into your store. This takes you to your admin dashboard, the control center for everything on your site. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This is where your storefront design lives, including themes, pages, and navigation. Next, click Themes. You'll see your current theme at the top. If it's a fresh store, you'll have a default theme already installed. That's perfect for a quick setup, and you can swap it out later if you'd like. Now open the theme editor by clicking Edit Theme. This launches the visual editor where the left panel lists your sections and the right shows a live preview. You can toggle between desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks good on all devices. Let's start with the header. Click into the header section, upload your logo, adjust the size so it's crisp but not overwhelming, and choose the main navigation menu you want to display. If your theme offers options like an announcement bar or a search icon, enable what supports your customers best. A clean header with clear links to shop, about, and contact is usually all you need. If your theme supports a sticky header, consider turning it on so navigation stays visible as people scroll. Now move into the template area. Think of this as the main content of the page you're editing, often the home page. Replace any demo content with your own, update the hero banner with a compelling image and headline, add a featured collection, and include a short text block that explains your brand promise. Keep copy concise and benefit focused. Use high quality images and compress them so your site stays fast. As you add sections, keep your brand colors and typography consistent, and check the mobile preview to make sure text and buttons are easy to tap. Scroll down to the footer section, add quick links to FAQs, shipping, and returns. Include your contact link, a newsletter sign up if you use email marketing, and social media icons. If your payment icons are available, enable them to build trust. Keep the footer tidy, too many links can overwhelm visitors. When you're happy, click Save in the top right. Give the preview a quick scan, test the header links and the footer links, and make sure everything feels cohesive. That's it. We went to Shopify, opened online store, chose themes, edited the theme, refined the header, adjusted the main template, polished the footer, and saved your work. You've just built the core of your Shopify website in minutes.